subscribe. Give us a thumbs up, guys. We've got this massive snowmobile and it's totally awesome. And we've got a little bit of a polar bear and yeah, loads of snow and then a snow motorcycle
and a snow car.
This car is actually like a bulldozer, but it's just got the wheels are just split. Let's get building. the toy complete. It was a pretty cool build. I really enjoyed this one because it looks really cool. And look at this motorcycle. It's awesome. I like that orange. That orange is really cool. It's a really nice colour. And I really like this car. And if you look inside, there's some people there's a person working and then the person driving. And then there's this bit where there's a polar bear coming out and there's a little camera watching the polar bear. And then there's this thing where, yeah, I don't know what these bits are, but these, I think that's water. And then all of the snow. I do not know why there's grey. It might be the rock, because it might actually be a mountain. It took me about an hour to build this one, maybe a little bit less than an hour. I had my dad to help me a tiny bit with I need help with these bits, with the thing that attaches on the wheel, only them wheels, and then a little bit of them wheels. And I really like this polar bear. He can move his head. He can move only these legs, but not these ones. He can stand up. I'm a polar bear. I'm dancing, and I think my two favorite bits were the inside of here and the car, actually the whole entire car, and that it could actually fit stuff in it, like this motorcycle. And I really like the motorcycle, by the way. And I really like the design of the stickers I put on, because it's really cool. And there's like a little computer, but it's just on a wall, so it actually doesn't really look like a computer. It's a seat. It's like it's a spy computer. The front tracks are really cool. It might be for snow, and they're actually really cool. I like the way they spin. So yeah, that's the build, guys, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Hey guys, remember to subscribe, like always in all of our videos. And if you enjoyed the video, give it a like, or Philly might bite. Stay tuned and I'll see you next time. But before we finish the video, remember, close up.